And addressing some breaking news coming in at the top of 9, with United Kingdom's Member of Parliament set to debate next week on the safety of the farmers' protest. The British government on Friday said what happens in India has ripples in the United Kingdom and gets debated as there is a large Indian diaspora in the United Kingdom, but asserted that the farmers' protest was India's internal issue and it was not for it to resolve. British lawmakers will also be debating the issue on press freedom and safety of protesters in India next Monday in response to an e-petition which has crossed over 100,000 signatures. The threshold for the signatures have also been crossed and they require for such a debate. The House of Commons Petitions Committee has also confirmed earlier this week the same. This is news that we are addressing from the United Kingdom ahead of the debate on the farm laws in the UK Parliament next week for the safety of the farmers' protest. The British government has said what happens in India has ripples in the United Kingdom and gets debated in the House of Commons as there is a large Indian diaspora in the country. But has also asserted that the farmers' protest is India's internal issue and it was for India to resolve it. British lawmakers will be debating the issue on press freedom and safety of protesters in India next Monday in response to an e-petition which has crossed over 1,000 signature threshold required for such a debate in the House of Commons. The Petition Committee has also confirmed the same. This is news that we are addressing coming straight from the United Kingdom, where the farm laws they've stated that the farm laws are India's internal matter. This is not the first time the House of Commons is all set to debate on the ongoing farmers' agitation. My colleague Abhishek is on the phone lines with us. Abhishek, important developments that we are addressing where the United Kingdom House of Commons has gone ahead and stated that the farm laws, the farmer agitation is India's internal matter and it is for India to resolve it. Amidst all of this, an e-petition which has crossed the 100,000 signature threshold that has been required for the debate in the House of Commons has also been passed.
Well, the United Kingdom, after all, is the mother of all democracies, as they say. But the fact of the matter is that farm laws indeed are an internal matter of India. And if the British government has taken this position, it's right, and that's the right position to take. I think there are some elements within UK polity who get influenced by the dynamics of diaspora, and there are some elements within the diaspora who are motivated. We know not just in the United Kingdom, but in Canada, for example. But if the official position is this, it really buttresses the fact that the UK establishment understands how democracy functions, and of course how it functions in India as well, the largest democracy in the world. The fact of the matter is that the farm laws have gone through the rigor of debate over 2 decades. Also, when they were passed in Parliament, they are a product of workings of democracy and a fine example of how procedural law and reform law is carried out in India. And the official position is a reflection of the present UK government's position vis-a-vis the Indian government as well. So I think it bodes well for overall cooperation between the two nations. The bilateral relationship seems to be in good state if this is the official position that the United Kingdom government has taken before the debate happens on farm laws. I mean, it's a little, they can debate it, but if this is the official position, it's in good state.
Right. Many thanks, Abhishek, for joining us at 9 a.m. The news that we are addressing is ahead of the debate on the farm laws in the UK Parliament. They have stated that the farmers' protest that has grappled the national capital is India's internal issue.